How does Infinity Trust Solutions registration and account access work? The website states that users can create an account without making an initial deposit or providing payment information during registration. Infinity Trust Solutions describes its service as fully online. Users can access the platform through a browser on a computer or mobile device without installing additional software. This gives the account experience a flexible, device-friendly format. During registration, the platform says users select a cryptocurrency for their account. The listed options are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Infinity Trust Solutions notes that this choice is final, so it is important to consider the preferred currency before completing registration. The Help Center also states that VPN and Tor connections are allowed. A stable and fast internet connection is recommended for smoother access, real-time updates, and use of the platform's features. For card transactions, Infinity Trust Solutions refers to encryption and secure data transfer protocols. The website specifically states that SSL technology is used for card payments. If a browser does not support the relevant security layer, users may receive instructions intended to maintain a protected transaction environment. The platform also notes that tax obligations can depend on local laws and that users are responsible for handling their own reporting requirements. Infinity Trust Solutions presents registration as a browser-based account process with no required opening deposit, a permanent cryptocurrency selection, and verification for certain payment operations. These published steps offer a clear introduction for users considering account setup and online access.